This Bond 2022 Hubbard Middle School construction update begins in April of 2023 with visible work activities occurring at the gym foundations and roofing on the main building. In June, we completed an early abatement of floor tiles in the existing campus in preparation for the future demolition phase, along with the new gym foundation walls and the installation of HVAC rooftop units on the new building. Progress continued in July on the gyms with backfill of the foundation walls to bring the foundations up to grade. This also included the final installation of rammed aggregate piers. August progress included connections of site utilities, interior drywall and paint, and mechanical, electrical, and plumbing work. The front of the project took shape with brick masonry, which carried on into September. Interior work included polishing concrete floors, interior painting, and restroom wall tiles. Technology cabling was started and life safety systems began. October's interior work in the administrative and academic wings included millwork cabinets, tile wall wainscoting, vinyl wall covering, final paint, science lab casework, electrical and plumbing fixtures, ceilings, and flooring. The front entry is starting to take shape with the glass curtain wall system and exterior soffit work. And as you can see in the left corner of the project, the insulated concrete forms are outlining the auxiliary gym, which also serves as the campus storm shelter, and CMU block walls are creating the competition gym. You can also see the front parking lot starting to take shape in preparation for the final milestones of Phase 1 of the Hubbard Middle School project. And in the next few months, major construction efforts will continue at the athletic areas and gyms, while finishing touches will be placed in the academic and administrative areas. We are within budget and tracking towards completion at the Hubbard Middle School project.